Hey, I want to make this quick video to let you know that there is an awesome opportunity to get Maxed Fabric certified for free. Also, in this video, I will talk about some amazing free resources that will help you to make sure you pass that Fabric certification exam and get your badge. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Alexi and I'm a data architect and a Microsoft Data Platform MVP. And on this channel, I cover Maxed Fabric related topics. But now I will tell you how you can get Maxed Fabric certified for free. So, Microsoft is organizing these Fabric data days that are starting on November 4th. And on this website, you can find all the necessary information about these Fabric data days. And you can get to this website by going to the aka.ms/Fabric data days. And link to that website can be also found in the description. But here we have the information about the data days and how you can register. But the cool thing here is that we can see that there are some discount vouchers that are coming very soon. So we have 100% discount vouchers for DP-600 and DP-700. So this means that you can get Maxed Fabric certified for free. But unfortunately at this stage I don't have the exact information how these vouchers are given, and more information will be coming soon. So keep following this website in order to see how to get those exam vouchers. Also, during these Fabric data days, we are going to have a lot of these live sessions, and I will be actually a host in one of these live sessions. But here you can see all the topics that will be covered in these Fabric data day sessions, and you can participate and watch them live or on demand afterwards. But now let's imagine that you're planning to get DP-600 or DP-700 certified in the near future. What kind of free resources you could use to achieve that goal? Firstly, I would check out the Certiace platform on certiace.com, and I'm actually one of the co-founders of this platform that offers free high-quality custom-made practice questions for exams like DP-600 and DP-700. So go check out certiace.com if you want some free high-quality practice questions for those two exams, and the link to the platform can be also found in the description. Then I would also check out my YouTube channel, Aleksi Partanen Master Maxed Fabric. On my YouTube channel, I have a dedicated playlist for DP-600 and also DP-700. And in this DP-700 playlist, I have over 11 hours of content that will teach you everything you need to know for that exam. So go check out these resources if you are planning to take either one of those exams. And this was all that I wanted to cover today. Like I said, if you're preparing to take the DP-600 or DP-700, please check out my playlists on my YouTube channel to get the knowledge that you need in order to get that badge. But now I thank you for watching and see you in the next video.